Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how to maintain your trailer tires and prevent wear and tear over time. Loose or missing valve caps. Valve caps might seem like a minor detail, but they play an important role in maintaining tire health. The small caps protect the valve stem, which regulates air pressure, from dirt, moisture, and debris. Why does this matter? Without valve caps, dirt and grit can block the valve, causing air leaks. Exposure to water can lead to corrosion, making the valve brittle or prone to failure. Give each tire a quick check to make sure caps are in place and fastened securely. Replacing a missing cap is simple and cheap but can prevent expensive problems down the line. The step-by-step tire inspection process. Inspecting trailer tires may seem like a straightforward task, but following a step-by-step process ensures you don't miss any critical details. Each step focuses on a specific aspect of the tire's condition, helping you catch wear, damage, or other issues early. Let's break it down so you can confidently check your trailer tires. Step 1. Visual inspection. Start with a simple yet essential visual check. It's your first line of defense against potential tire problems. Walk around your trailer and carefully examine each tire. Look for obvious red flags like cuts, punctures, uneven wear, or debris stuck in the tread. Pay attention to things like bare spots. Missing tread in certain areas could be a sign of misaligned axles or improper inflation. Foreign objects. Nails or sharp items might still be embedded. It's important to remove them and inspect for underlying damage. Tread damage. Chunks of rubber missing from the tread or tread separation should never be ignored. This step doesn't require advanced tools, just a thorough eye and a few minutes of your time. It's like giving your tires a once-over to ensure they're road-ready. Step 2. Checking tread depth. Tread depth plays a crucial role in how your trailer tires perform. Shallow or worn tread reduces traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions, and can increase your risk of skids. To measure tread depth, you'll need a tool like a tread depth gauge, or even a penny if you don't have one. Here's how to perform the penny test. Insert a penny with Lincoln's head facing down into the tread. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, the tread is too shallow, and it's time to replace the tire. If you prefer a more precise measurement, a tread depth gauge is the better choice. Trailer tires typically perform best when tread depth is at least 1/8 inch, though you should always consult the manufacturer's recommendations. Step 3. Verifying tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is critical. It affects everything from fuel efficiency to handling and overall safety. Tires lose air over time, even without leaks, so this step should be done regularly. Grab a reliable tire pressure gauge and follow these steps. Locate the recommended tire pressure from the trailer owner's manual or the sidewall of the tire. Look for SI. Remove the valve cap and press the gauge firmly onto the valve stem. Compare the reading to the recommended pressure. If the pressure is too low, use an air compressor to bring the tire up to spec. If it's too high, release some air by pressing the valve stem lightly. Maintaining the correct PSI prevents excessive wear and can even improve your trailer's stability. Step 4. Inspecting the sidewalls. The sidewalls are often overlooked, but they're just as important as the tread. Their primary job is to maintain the tire's structural integrity, especially under heavy loads. Any damage here can lead to serious issues. Check for cracks. Tiny cracks, especially near the edge of the sidewall, indicate aging or extended exposure to sunlight. Bulges. A bulging spot means the internal structure has been compromised, often from impact with curbs or potholes. Cuts or tears. Even small sidewall cuts can weaken the tire, making it unsafe for travel. Running your hands along the sidewall can also help you feel abnormalities you might not spot visually. If you notice anything unusual, err on the side of caution and consult a professional. Step 5. Rotating or replacing tires if needed. After your inspection, decide whether your tires need rotation or replacement to keep them in top condition. Trailer tires don't wear as evenly as those on a car, especially if the load isn't evenly distributed. Rotating them helps distribute the wear more evenly and extends the life of the tires. Signs it's time to replace the tires include: tread depth is below the safe limit. Visible sidewall damage like cracks or bulges. Uneven tread wear that rotation won't fix. For rotations, follow your trailer manufacturer's recommendations. A professional can also guide you if you're unsure. Remember, keeping your tires in good shape isn't just about their lifespan, it's about your safety on the road. Proactive maintenance tips for trailer tires. Taking care of your trailer tires goes beyond simple inspections. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding premature wear and unexpected issues while keeping your trailer safe and stable on the road. In this section, we'll explore how consistent cleaning, proper storage, and professional upkeep can extend the life of your tires and give you peace of mind. Regular cleaning and protection. Your trailer tires endure exposure to dirt, mud, and harmful UV rays that can shorten their lifespan. Keeping them clean isn't just about appearance, it's about maintaining their health. Dirt and grime can trap moisture, leading to rubber breakdown, and sunlight can accelerate cracking over time. Here's how to clean and protect your tires effectively. Wash routinely. Use mild soap, water, and a soft brush to remove dirt and road debris. Avoid harsh cleaners that can degrade the rubber. Dry properly. After cleaning, make sure the tires are completely dry to prevent moisture from lingering on the surface. Apply a UV protectant. UV rays are one of the biggest threats to tire longevity. Use a tire protectant spray specifically designed to block UV damage while maintaining the rubber's flexibility. Adding these steps to your maintenance routine can slow aging and help your tires stay strong through every season. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.